So kids, today we'll begin with the lesson number 3 of grammar, that is kinds of nouns. A noun is a naming word. It is used as the name of a person, place, animal, thing, quality, material, group, idea, feeling, etc. Now kids, nouns can be of various types. First, we'll discuss common nouns and proper nouns. Number 1, common nouns and proper nouns. So students, a common noun is the name given in common to persons, places, animals or things of the same class or kind. So kids, now let's go through some of the examples of common nouns. Now can you see the picture of the doctor, policeman, gardener and firefighter? So kids, these are the different kinds of persons, okay, and they are many. There are many doctors, many policemen, okay. Now see here students, now these are the names of places. There are so many markets in our Kolhapur, so many parks in our Kolhapur, so many libraries, so many hospitals. So these are all common nouns, okay kids. Now next is a tiger. Now can you see, a tiger is the name given to that animal, but there are so many tigers. So even tiger is a common noun. Now kids, next see the names of things that are common nouns. Now fan. Can you see kids? Fan. There are so many types of fans. Hand fan, ceiling fans, isn't it? Table fan. Now napkins. You all use different kinds of napkins. Napkin is also a common noun. Refrigerator, clock, table. These all things are many and they are common in general. So these all are common nouns. Okay kids. Now let's go through some of its examples. So the first one is, my mother works in a hospital. Now can you see here? Tell me the common nouns. Now mother and hospital are the common nouns because everyone is having a mother and there are so many hospitals in any city or state. Next, I have a ball and bat. Now can you see here? Ball and bat are the common nouns because there are so many balls and bats and these are the common names given to these things. So kids, now let's go through some of the examples given in your grammar book. Number 1, the graceful swan glided on the lake. Now kids, in this sentence, swan and lake are the common nouns because swan is the common noun or is the name given to a same kind of birds. Okay, and lake is the name given to the same kind of places or water bodies. Okay kids, there are so many swans, so many lakes, therefore swan and lake are the common nouns. Next, number 2, all the passengers on the ship are safe. Now kids, can you see here, passengers and ship is underlined because passenger is the name given in common to a group of persons or to a same class people or same kind of people, okay, who are traveling anywhere. Okay, it can be in ship, it can be in any bus. Okay, now in this sentence it is mentioned here ship. Now so many ships are there. It is a name given in common to a thing. Okay kids, so passengers and ship are common noun. Next, number 3, the girl was sitting behind the tree in the garden. So can you see students, the girl is a common noun. Okay, now there are so many girls, isn't it? Girl is a name given to in common to people. Was sitting behind the tree. Now can you see here also it's not mentioned particularly which kind of tree. There are so many trees, so even tree is a common noun. And garden is also a common noun because there are so many gardens and it's not particularly mentioned which garden. Okay kids, it is a name given in common to a place. So girl, tree and garden are the common nouns. Proper nouns. A proper noun is the name of a particular person, place, animal or thing. A proper noun always begins with a capital letter. Some proper nouns include 2 or more words. So kids, now proper noun is the specific or particular name given to anyone. Okay, any person, place, animal or thing. Now can you see in this picture, Roy is the name particularly given to that boy. Okay, Roy. So it is a proper noun. Now Edentown. Edentown is the name given to that particular place. So Edentown is also a proper noun. Next example is Sunset Palace. So kids, there are so many palaces, but Sunset is the particular name given to that palace. So even Sunset Palace is a, and can you see kids, all these names, that is proper nouns, begin with a capital letter. So now students, let's see some more examples. Now India is particularly specifically given name to our country. Similarly, even Taj Mahal is given the name to one of the monuments. Yes or no? Only one Taj Mahal is there, isn't it? Now Simba. Simba is the name given to the character of a lion, which is only one. Now kids, let's go through some of the examples given in your grammar book. Number 1. I saw the Bay of Bengal in the distance as I was going towards Marine Beach. Now can you see here kids, Bay of Bengal? It is a particular name. Yes or no? And can you see it contains more than 2 words. Okay. And Marine Beach. Now it is a name given to a particular beach. Okay. So these both are proper nouns. Okay. Now next is Mr. Ajinkya Nair gave an impressive speech in Pune yesterday. Now can you see here? It is a particular or specific name given to a person. We come to know that in this sentence we are talking about Mr. Ajinkya Nair. So this is a proper noun. And Pune. Now here we are talking about a particular state or place, that is Pune. So even Pune is a proper noun. Now next, number 3. This year Diwali will be at the end of October. Now can you see here Diwali? Now we are having so many festivals. So festival is what? It is a common noun. But here they have mentioned particularly Diwali. So Diwali is a proper noun. And can you see here October? It is a month. Okay kids. Now name of a particular month which comes only once in a year. So even October is a proper noun. Now next is Shah Jahan built the Taj Mahal. Now can you see here Shah Jahan is the name of that particular person. So Shah Jahan is a proper noun. And the Taj Mahal. Okay, now can you see it is the name of the monuments. And it is also a proper noun. Yes or no? Understood kids? Now kids, let's see some difference between common noun and proper noun. Now can you see common nouns are used to name general groups, places, things and ideas. And whereas proper nouns are the names used to call specific people, place, things. Okay, and they must begin with the capital letter. Now see the examples given over here. Now common noun is lady, but Helen. Now Helen is also a lady, but it is a particular lady about whom we are speaking. Helen is a name, so Helen will be a proper noun. Next is month. So kids, there are 12 months, so it is a common noun, but January only comes once a year and it is only one, so January is a proper noun. Next, day. Now kids, there are 7 days in a week, but Monday is the specific name given to that day. Next is country. So kids, there are so many countries, but Japan is only one. So Japan is the name specifically given to that country. So kids, this much is enough for today. We will see the remaining kinds of nouns in our next video.